One of the first times I used the HA-coated wrap for revision cubital tunnel, that patient early on had really great recovery. We did an anterior subcutaneous transposition, and he had a large amount of fibrosis from a previous release. And so we were able to wrap the nerve with the, I think it was a 4x6 size, and early on he had developed a previous Wartenberg sign, right? So he had weakness of his intrinsics. That recovered within the first post-op visit at 2 weeks, and something he had not been able to do in about 20 years, he said. So early good recovery with that. So far he's had early full range of motion. I think that's a really good outcome so far. I'm excited to see how that continues to evolve, and we're looking at his clinical outcomes, but also an ultrasound evaluation of what that looks like internally with the wrap and the nerve, and we've had some early results of showing that there is a maintained protective space. The patient is very happy with his outcome so far. He enjoys looking at those images and understanding that he has something there that will hopefully help prevent that from happening again for him.